students, how are you? I hope you are fine. This month you have first midterm test. Test portion lessons 1 to 6. Have you learned the previous week portion? I think you have learned the previous week portion. Now I am going to revise first 3 lessons. Let's start. What is migration? Migration means when people move from one country, city or neighborhood to another in search of food, job and education. Why do people migrate? Do you know? People migrate because of poor education, lack of good jobs, village life, lack of food, natural disasters, etc. Not only people migrate, but also animals, birds, insects and fish during some season. In winter season, birds move from trees to caves. Some fishes also move from river to sea. Example, salmon fish. Some birds also migrate from one place to another in search of food, good climate, etc. There are 2 factors that make people migrate. They are push factors and pull factors. Push factors. Push factors encourage people to leave their place and settle elsewhere. Shall we see some push factors? Lack of food and fodder, village life, lack of good jobs, natural disaster, etc. These are push factors. Next, pull factors. Pull factors attract people to new areas or country. There are some pull factors which makes the people to leave from a place. Shall we see what are they? Better medical care, stable climate, developed country, city life, job opportunity, good schools and colleges, etc. Do you understand? Take your book, turn page number 7. Match the columns to pair the push and pull factors. Number 1. Lack of food and fodder. The answer is availability of food and fodder. Number 2. Village life. The answer is city life. Number 3. Lack of good jobs. Answer is job opportunities. Number 4. Unequal treatment and disrespect. The answer is equal treatment and respect. Number 5. Poor education, good schools and colleges. 6. Disease and illness. Better medical care. Number 7. Low pay for work. The answer is higher pay for work. Number 8. War, danger and fear. The answer is peace and safety. Number 9. Developing country. The answer is developed country. Number 10. Natural disasters. The answer is stable climate. Shall we move on next lesson? Okay. Lesson 2. Words with many meanings. In English, the word is very important. Sentence which contains a group of words and makes a complete sense. Each word has many meanings. For example, the word run has 179 meanings. The word take has 127 meanings. The word break has 123 meanings. Take page number 8. Fill in the blanks in each pair of sentences with a single word from the help box below. Number 1. A. This is the right answer. Number B. Turn right at the next crossing. Spell that right. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Number 2. A. The earth is round. B. The children ran round and round the garden. Spell the word round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Number 3. A. The athlete runs every morning. B. How many runs did she score in the cricket match? Spell the word runs. R-U-N-S. Number 4. A. I need a tin of paint. B. Let's paint a picture. Spell that paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Number 5. A. We wandered about the town. B. Tell me something about yourself. Spell the word about. A-B-O-U-T. About. Number 6. A. Please give me a glass of water. B. If you don't water this plant, it will shrivel. Spell that water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Number 7. A. My grandmother keeps a fast once a week. B. Usain Bolt runs very fast. Spell that fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Number 8. A. My back hurts. B. I will be back in 5 minutes. Spell the word back. B-A-C-K. Back. Number 9. A. I like chocolate. B. She has eyes like a hawk. Spell the word like. L-I-K-E. Like. Number 10. A. I can carry this bag because it's quite light. B. Turn the light off when you leave the room. Spell the word light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Next, shall we move on to third lesson? Topic: Family and Environment. What is family? Family is a set of parents living with their children. What are traits? Features that humans and animals get from their parents. What is learned behaviors? Learned behaviors are taught and developed from a parent or any other persons. Do you understand? Take page number 9. Look at the pictures and read the sentences next to them. Write T for trait and L for learned behavior. Number 1. Woodpeckers have strong and sturdy beaks to chisel wood. The answer is T. These characters they got from their parents. So, it is trait. Number 2. Josie has blue eyes and brown hair. The answer is T. Blue eyes and brown hair passed from Josie's parents to Josie. So, it is trait. Number 3. Max, a pet dog, fetches the newspaper for his master? The answer is L. A pet dog Max learned to fetch the newspaper from his master. So, it is learned behavior. Number 4. Ramya and Susan play tennis. The answer is L. Ramya and Susan learn to play tennis from some persons. So, it is learned behavior. Number 5. Penguins have flipper-like wings to help them swim better. The answer is T. Penguins' flipper-like wings passed from their parents to young ones. So, it is right. Number 6. Bears hibernate through the winter. The answer is T. The character hibernate passed from parents' bear to the young one. So, it is right. Number 7. Grandmother has taught the parrot to whistle. The answer is L. Parrot learned to whistle from grandmother. So, it is learned behavior. Number 8. Tenzin's pet dog sits when Tenzin says sit. The answer is L. Dog learned to sit from Tenzin. So, it is learned behavior. Do you understand? All of you read lessons 1 to 3 and mark the important points. You have to learn not only book exercise but also learn the important points. Thank you. Have a nice day.